गाडी शोधा बोल नहीं सकते ना
नहीं
बोल नहीं सकते अभी कुछ
हाइटेड है अमिताभ बच्चन
ओके लास्ट वन पॉइंट्स
बाप रे चीटी
and yes 5 all 5 out 2 seconds okay 1 2 3 animal
Lion.
टाइगर
Monkey.
डॉग
Cow. Leopard.
जिराफ
Cat. Zebra.
out आमने सामने okay 1 2 3 start
Lion.
Lion, dog.
Lion, dog, cat.
Lion, dog, cat, monkey.
Lion, dog, cat, monkey, mouse.
Lion, dog, cat, monkey, mouse, giraffe.
Lion, dog, cat, monkey, mouse, giraffe, llama.
Lion, dog, cat, monkey, mouse, giraffe, llama. Mumbai.
okay I hope you guys enjoyed thank you so much nose shake hands stomach head stomach shoulder touch the glass and feel if you feel comfortable if you feel comfortable going down if you feel comfortable come up okay just wanted to check if you are comfortable you know shoulder okay head eyes nose stomach head shake hands shoulder head eyes cup people who have cup wait people who don't have can go back now we would like to make pairs between people who have cup so do head shoulder dance fly head shoulder stomach shoulder head eyes shoulder head dance fly go okay so shoulder fly dance fly shake hands shoulder head eyes nose stomach fly dance legs head go final round let's give them a round of applause head shoulder fly dance shake hand stomach shoulder head eyes shoulder stomach head fly dance shake hands come wonderful achievement yeah amazing well played
That's okay.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा
जगते जादू के
बेचैनियाँ सारे समेटी सारे जहाँ की, जब कुछ न बन सका तो मेरा दिल बना दिया दिया दिया। ओ सारी तेरे बिना राही तो रह बिखेरा, ओ सारी तेरे बिना सारी दुआ दुआ la 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 la। आगे मुझे जाने किसे बने किसोया जाएगा किसोया जाएगा किसे बने ख्वाहिशों की बने किसोया जाएगा किसोया जाएगा कि मानो निंदिया पिरोया जाएगा कि मानो निंदिया पिरोया जाएगा। Ding 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 ding। Now I'm listening second song from New York, Hey Juno. Na 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 यारो जीवन के जीने पर लगता है आजकल बर्फ न आएगा यारो जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनू करो है जुनू कहीं सोचते कोई कहाँ मिले मुझे तो सारे समय ये हुआ क्या हुआ बता करो यारो अपने हिसाब से दिल की किताब पे कुछ तो लिखो यारो अंजाम की फिक्र न करने अनिवार्य उसके भला किससे डरे। Thank you.
Classical dance. So in India, we idolize Lord Krishna. So Krishna is a symbol of love in India. So even this hotel, it's named as Dwarika, and it was made and constructed by Lord Krishna himself. So Lord Krishna loved Radha the most, and by this small dance performance, I like to share the love, the bond that they had.
को राधा जी के रूप में देखा जाता है।
सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं ये सारे, मगर सच्चे लगते हैं। ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम। सकूं खामोशियां ये सह ना सकूं आवाज दे के मुझे तू ले जा सकूं दूरी सही जाए ना सही जाए ना तुम क्यों चले आते हो हर रोज इन ख्वाबों में चुपके से आ भी जाओ एक दिन मेरी बाहों में तेरे ही सपने अंधेरों में उजालों में कोई नशा है तेरी आंखों के प्यारों में तू मेरे ख्वाबों के जवाबों में सवालों में हर दिन चुरातों में मैं लाता हूँ ख्यालों में क्या मुझे प्यार है या ऐसा खुमार है या क्या मुझे प्यार है या ऐसा खुमार है या ओ
First, Synergics Rewards and Recognition 9, and he joined today here. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you all for joining in this celebration. We'll make it, I hope it will be a memorable and we'll have a successful event today. So with this, I'll not take much of time and I will hand over.
Sure, the performers would be quite excited, put up the show, right? I hope Mr. Mortimer gets to witness some incredible performances today. So thank you for participating. Hello. Okay, very nice. All right, I'll just let it settle down. Like to take a moment, okay? So it is our great honor to have His Excellency, basically the ambassador of the Commonwealth of Bahamas to India, and the chairman of the Campbell Group, and director on the parent group of Synergics, Mr. Lovell J. Mortimer, as he visits today to attend our annual function. I would like to say that Mr. Mortimer has had a distinguished career in both business and philanthropy, all right? And he's a respected attorney, and he is a businessman, he's a diplomat, and under his leadership, the organization, not only the parent but the associated group of companies have also had a great direction to follow up. And he's not only setting up the goal at a company level but at a global level for us to follow. And Mr. Mortimer is, in addition to his business accomplishment, he has also done a lot of work in philanthropy, all right, particularly in a field of education. He's deeply committed to education and the social welfare as well. And he's the founder of the LJM Maritime Academy, which offers a great opportunity to young Bahamians to explore the world of maritime sector. And he's also has his influence internationally as well. He has also served as the first
Bahamian ambassador to India, where he strengthen the relationship between both the countries. We are privileged to have Mr. Mortimer here, and we look forward to his insights, his valuable insights that we could follow in future. So thank you, Mr. Mortimer, for being present today, and we would like to extend a warm welcome to you. Let's have a great round of applause for Mr. Mortimer. I can clearly see that a few years down the line, I will not be surprised if we become from 30 to 100 plus employees, right? And as of now, our senior leadership team is working hard to ensure that we get as much as business possible, not only just serve to our parent company, which is Campbell at the moment, but Lishon, our CEO, is working overtime to ensure that we have exposure to external client as well. At this particular time, I feel that we have an incredible team. We have a collaborative approach, and we would certainly be very successful in the near time to come. Very recently, we have onboarded RSPL, which is an external client, and then we also onboarded BAF recently. And it's just a step forward to ensuring that Synergix gets its exposure to a different world as well, right? And I'm very confident of the team that we have today, and I'm pretty sure that we will continue to do a great work in achieving more and more success, right? With that, let's have a great round of applause to all of us for all our hard work.
Excited for the awards and recognition.
Yes.
And it is not just the quarterly what we have done, but it is going to be annually. So here we are going to acknowledge the individuals, and not just the individuals but also the team members as well. So without much delay, I would like to...
Yes, working. You're audible.
Okay, so without much delay, let's begin with the celebration of success. And the first category for the quarterly awards, which is from April to June. The first category will be the Rookie. The Rookie Award is for the new team member who has excellently started off and became an asset within a, in just a few time. So, any guesses? Okay. Let me give you a hint. So, he demonstrated an exceptional approach to his work. He started in resolving long-standing issues and then streamlined few processes. He also has been pivotal, his role is pivotal in expanding the product development phase, and which is the project's success. None other than Varun Soni. And the ACE Award is for the individual who consistently demonstrated exceptional contribution. So this person consistently is committed to timely reconciliations, and he has been ensuring that all financial and operational data is accurate up to date. Overall, he is a consistent performer and ideal candidate. congratulations to the winner. Goes above beyond the scope of the work and has an exceptionally helping hand to the other team members as well. So it's a she, and she took the crucial task for transitioning of the RSPL processing to Synergics. Her commitment to maintaining high quality work was evident, and her efforts are significantly contributed to building the client's trust in Synergics ability. So none other than with this team, I don't have to say much about this team because if they are not there, I think we guys could not work. It is the utmost important team. None other than I would like to Prashant, Dilip, Shari to be on the stage, please. Employee of the award, Employee of the Year. Employee of the Year is an acknowledgement for an employee who has consistently excelled throughout the year, showcasing exceptional contribution. So, he successfully completed the audit of Campbell Bulb on schedule, managing the additional workload for both Campbell Bulb and the Campbell projects effectively. He also led the implementation of Proflex financial reporting and maintained punctual and accurate reporting even with the increased workload from Campbell project and the expansion of Campbell Bulb Nassau fleet from 9 to 12. Please. Congratulations, Kishore. Here. So team who performed throughout the year, their collaboration and team bonding is exceptionally well. This team,
We ask for guesses first.
no, they are not guessing, no, so that is why.
Guys, come on, guess. ITT.
IT team हो गया. Okay, okay, I'll give you the names at least you guys can know. Team developed an Excel-based macro that has significantly streamlined the processes, and they have also been able to save 15 hours per month, demonstrating the team's initiative and problem-solving capabilities. Any guesses, please?
And your leaders and your individual teams. Campbell Group of Companies came to appreciate the services it requires for itself as an international company in a global market. The officers and directors consequently came to appreciate that if we can benefit from a company which offers specialized support to companies in its back office doing its business, then there are other entities which can also benefit from such a company. Hence, Synergex was formed, and its inception is proving to be transformative in its work and in the services it offers. The offered services which you give are only possible because you are the best and the brightest professionals which were called in order to manage and staff Synergex. As a team, you have an awesome responsibility to not only provide efficient services to our clients, but in doing so, you are also very aware that the quality of service you give as individuals and as a team also communicates to the client and possible future clients that Synergex is the epitome of courtesy, competence, and efficiency. Each of you carry the burden of communicating the professionalism of Synergex to the world, and you will find that this will sell the services of Synergex worldwide. However, this is a trade-off, because if you want quality clients, then you must service and reflect the highest standards, such as each of you will expect if any of you who is offering or performing a service for you personally. That is, you want to give as good as you might get. I am personally not a great computer savvy person, and I am therefore one of those generations which I'm still intimidated by computers, and generally as well as the concept of AI. However, I do have a great respect for all of you, as the work with which you will engage is transformative and will continue to make our lives easier and better. I congratulate all of you for being such an integral part of the Synergex journey, and I wish you well and many, many years of good, successive service.
And we shall, I think, open up.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
you
sure,
can
sure.
just Can you just help me? I hope you liked it.
Many, many thanks to all of you, and this looks like somebody I know.
To mention few names who have, contributed for today's event, especially for making this event successful. So I would like to mention, thank you Anumol, Ravin, Manisha, and Manjari, because they're all in this for this event to make it successful. So now let's guys move forward with our exciting performances. With this, I would like to introduce
नमस्कारम, स्वागतम, सुस्वागतम. So first of all, thank you to Priya ma'am, जिन्होंने मेरा काम थोड़ा सा कम कर दिया. So I'll take over now. We have lot of performance, if you are aware of. Before that, you got prizes, awards and recognitions. So let us hear loud 3 cheers for your company. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Chalo, ठीक है. In this way we get the energy. Now we're going to take some games. Okay? Basically warm sessions, light games, enjoyment. After which we'll start with our dance, okay, and the performances. So for my first game, do we have any male or female? Starting name alphabet is P. P. Okay, you got it. I know. So this is 3. This is 3, 6. Chalo, और दो को ऐड करते हैं. One more. Jai Shri. Okay, one more. Akshay. Chalo, now we're going to start a beautiful game with all of them, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please talia bajana. After which we will keep on 7 और जो 7 की सीरीज है, I mean 7, 17, 27, 37, 47 मुंह से नहीं बोलेंगे, बजाएंगे ताली. गेम कैसे जाएगी देखो. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ऐसे. अगर आपने 3 की सीरीज पे बजा दी ताली, आउट. 7 की सीरीज पे बजा दी चुटकी, आउट. और कोई नंबर पे और कुछ कर दिया तो आउट. फॉर एग्जांपल 30, 30. 30 पे क्या करेंगे? बोलेंगे 30. I said this because normally people do book up and फिर मुझे समझाने का ऐसे. अब हम एक ट्रायल राउंड लेंगे और let 2 people get out. गेम बड़ी सिंपल है, जैसे 2 जन आउट होंगे ना सबको गेम समझ में आ जाएगी. तो चिल. दूसरी चीज ये है कि out of excitement, you'll be like this. Not allowed. हाथ नीचे आना चाहिए. आपने अगर एक्साइटमेंट में ऐसे कर दिया 4 you are out. ठीक है. But first 2 पर it's okay. First 2 out दो. Then you speed up also. ऐसे नहीं 1, 2 ऐसे नहीं 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 ऐसे. Let's start. नहीं, जब कोई आउट होगा हम फिर से 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. There's a trial round. Start.
1,
2,
4,
5. Start.
3 out.
Please. Okay, come closer. समझ गए गेम, right? I assume समझ गए. Start.
1,
5,
6.
Let's be serious. So 1, 2, 3. Begin.
4,
5, 6.
Okay. काउंट करते रहना. Okay, जब कोई आउट होगा तभी हम फिर से 1 पे आएंगे. Start.
2,
नहीं, एक मिनट यहाँ पे.
14,
5 मिनट. Now if I pass the mic, you're up. तुम्हें बताओ कैसे बराबर था?
मैंने 17 पे क्लैप किया. 18.
18. ऐसे हुआ ना 18?
18 बोला
ऐसे? 18?
बोला था मैंने.
पक्का?
बजाया था.
चलो, बजाया था मैंने देखा तभी तो हुआ. Okay, final start. Up. If I pass the mic, then you're out. If I pass the mic, you're out. जैसे 2 सेकंड ही मिल रहे पास करने के लिए. Start.
4,
8.
12.
Out. Mic pass, you're out. Start.
2, 5,
6.
Out. अच्छा, आमने सामने face each other. So let me tell you, in a recent corporate party like this, ये मैंने excitement होता है इंसान में, मैं ही जाके हाथ रख दूं ऐसे नहीं. Let them play. उनके बाद में you and you will come, then you and you will come, ऐसे करके then the again rotation will start. हमें देखना है दोनों टीमों से ज्यादा पॉइंट्स किसको मिलते हैं. अब गेम क्या है? आप यहाँ पे आएंगे, आप यहाँ पे आएंगे. I'll play music. I'll play an advertisement of these products played in last 15 years. So first, we are starting. उठा के तो दिखाओ क्या दिखा रहे हो. सबको दिखाओ. बाकी हाथ मत रख देना. So tell them. It's a human tendency होता है कि मैं उठा लूं मुझे.
पता था कुछ ना कुछ गलती जरूर करोगे. अरे सर्दियां जा रही हैं फिर भी ये डाबर च्यवनप्राश.
ये निर्मल वाला मेरे डाबर च्यवनप्राश he said and on the monitor में आ रहा है. 2 points.
Yes.
0. चलो खाता तो पूरा.
अरे बबलू, यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
उठाओ. दिखाओ. Right, perfect. Perfect. So we'll keep the crowd engaged also. अब उठा के जरा दिखाना क्या उठा है. Start. Eno, perfect. 1 point. 1 point. Wrong. You got it right. You got it right. Okay, बोलने में रुकेंगे अगर नहीं पता चला.
मैं रिकॉर्ड कब तोड़ूं? आज तो तेरा फास्टेस्ट क्लास था. तू बस मेहनत करती है.
रोज इतनी दूर क्यों जाती हो?
यहाँ वैसी कोचिंग नहीं.
पर वो रास्ता कमर तोड़ देता है.
So for now winning team तो यही है. So the next.
अरे अपने कॉलेज फॉर्म का साइन नहीं किया?
मतलब लेकिन मुंबई क्यों? यहाँ भी तो अच्छे कॉलेज में मिल रहा है सेम कोर्स. वो भी वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस.
Perfect, nice. So again the winning team is your next. Pick the right thing. This one. It is Saundarya Sabun. It's expected to confuse you guys. That's the washing powder. Chalo, next. Fevicol, yes. Next. Yes, that is I mean, we have three more. That's what I said, man. Tell them in their ears. If you shout it loud, the other. Perfect. We have two more. Fast. Are you ready? Perfect. One last. Wrong.
फ्यूचर से आया हूँ. फ्यूचर में भी मेरी बॉडी सेम. और फैंस का ध्यान सेम. और शादी हो गई. तुम्हारी सब गर्लफ्रेंड्स.
Perfect. Coming to the third game, since we are in the corporate, we spend a lot of office, there is someone whom we relate to a lot. Like for example, if I am in your office, there has to be someone जिनके साथ मेरी compatibility अच्छी है. You know, I talk to him, I get advices from them. Yeah, I do lot of musty in regards to anything that could be, you know, working habits, like taking advices, things like that. I need those people. So, OD1, can I have 2 people from your side? Like this. Everybody will be able to see this. Please, बोलना मत उस पे क्या लिखा है. Let us enjoy. Okay? Now you all will be able to see. You all will act. Anywhere you would like to. मुझे right answer से मतलब है. Copy करके कभी marks मिलते, कभी नहीं मिलते. दूसरी चीज. People standing here out of excitement कोई लोग क्या करते हैं ना? अच्छा money. सुन नहीं. मन में पढ़ना. Okay? Really? ऐसे? And then you start acting. You cannot remove a note. You cannot do P or M. You have to act. ठीक है? If it's money, it's पैसा, it's पैसा. अगर उस पर लिखा है money, यहाँ से इन्होंने बोला पैसा तो wrong. Money, पैसा, Hindi, English. You decide amongst yourself how will you do it. Hindi, English, one word, two word, how. Got it? So let's start without wasting any time. Who's gonna act from your? So we're starting with something a little difficult. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Dinesh.
Mr. Bean has a typical dance.
English.
Huh?
Thank you.
Okay, so this is gone, yeah. Okay, this is gone. Okay, done.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson, wonderful. Remember your points. You get one. Okay. This is again difficult. Let us see. 1. You have to say. कुछ भी guess करो.
बड़े बाल है. लड़की है. English में girl है. Girlfriend. Yes.
Cinderella. Yeah, one point. Wonderful.
Booth. Ghost. Bhootnath. Atma. Scarecrow.
Monster. Yes. Remember your points. I believe 2 है.
Anger. Upset. गुस्सा. और एक anger को क्या बोलते हैं?
Angry. Okay, next 3 points. 1, 2.
Cricket bat. Badminton. Bat. Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar. Here. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Dragon. Lion.
Roar.
Cat. Lion. English में lion को क्या बोलते हैं?
और क्या बोलते हैं?
नहीं सब लग रहा है. Head. Lion head.
Lions,